Yo, what's happening, guys? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back. Sorry, there was a little bit of technical issues with the live. How's everyone doing today? How's everyone doing? Sorry about that. We are back. We're back. We're back in action. Yeah, so there was a little bit of technical issues, but we are back. And I did actually hurt myself this morning, but I'm all good. Obviously, yesterday, if you guys did watch the live stream yesterday, we caught some beautiful, beautiful trades yesterday, guys. We caught some beautiful, beautiful trades yesterday. And yeah, I'm still expecting a little bit more downside. Yeah, I was riding, so I have like a scooter, right? I was riding my scooter and I was going too quick, and I didn't see like the curve. So yeah, I just fell off my scooter. So I think I didn't go to the doctor or anything. I just went to the pharmacy. But yeah, I'm not really interested in going to the doctor. Just a waste of cash, yeah. But yeah, I should be fine. Just a little bit, we'll be all good. So let's speak about what's happening with Bitcoin. This is gonna be quite a long stream because I want to speak about all the levels. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, yeah. Like whatever. It doesn't really like. I mean, it's my hand. It will get better like within the next few weeks. Yeah, I don't really care. But yeah, it's one of those things. Um, it is one of those things. I hope you guys are doing well. So yeah, we were speaking about Bitcoin yesterday, guys. Do you remember? Do you remember what we were saying yesterday? Do you guys we were saying? We were saying we were looking for sells yesterday over here, right? We were saying that okay, Bitcoin currently consolidating within the range. Bitcoin was consolidating within the range, and then we have that breakdown. So this was a signal to go short, and I did tell you guys that we're actually in the live. I don't know where we. No, we were. We weren't in the lab. I think we're in the lab over here. Yeah, yeah. So we didn't take that sell for Bitcoin, but that was the indication to actually go short for Bitcoin. So right now, like I mean, if we look at Bitcoin, guys, I've got a chart that I've drawn up, and I want to show you this chart because it's quite crazy to actually speak about this. But we're expecting more downside, guys, and I'm sorry to say it, but essentially, if we look at the weekly time frame, I didn't, to be honest with you guys, I didn't actually see this last week, which is quite crazy. And basically, we can see that this level here, right over here, was our rejection zone, right? And the weekly candle closed literally respecting that zone, like to the exact dollar, right? So this was the signal that this last week candle just was a massive, massive fake out. Personally, it's just a massive shake out to get everyone out of the market. Yeah. So yeah, I think a lot of people got absolutely wrecked yesterday. I think a lot of people. We can actually check that. Let's have a look at CoinGlass. I think a lot of people got absolutely smoked yesterday. But we've got a few signals that I want to show you guys today. So just make sure you stay until the end. Let's have a look here. So let's have a look. To look at that. I think the heat map's going to do that. No, which one? Let's see. Yeah, have a look at this. So 8th of August, yes, yeah. So 115 million longs got liquidated yesterday on Binance. Oh no, sorry, that's on Binance. 98 then on OKX. 16 on Barbit, HTX, 32, BitNext, 6. Every single long position they got put in, right? So what's important to note is that's exactly right, Mario. That is exactly right. What's important to note is that all these people that were longing here, everyone that was longing these highs over here, they were expecting 100K or whatever. And I was telling you guys yesterday that we weren't expecting that. We were expecting rejection. That there was just a lot of warnings that passes was probably just going to get rejected from that point. And honestly speaking, guys, it's not looking good for Bitcoin, right? So what's important to note is that we have a level, okay? We have a level here, this value area low. So I've drawn out the current range for Bitcoin, which is something that we have to watch out for. Okay. So what I'm going to do is for today, I'm actually going to be looking for shorts. I'm not going to be taking any longs. I'm not going to be in any long position right now. I don't think that this right over here. I don't think that we can bounce from this level back straight up to like 70K. I just don't see it. We've lost trend, guys. We've lost trend. We've lost structure. Everything's pretty much lost. So personally speaking, this is something that we see often that we've lost this key level, right? We have lost this key level, but what we haven't done is we haven't actually retested this level. So that's fine, man. That's fine. So what I'm looking at is definitely looking at the potential sells there, and I'll show you exactly why and where. So I'm looking at a potential sell if we can come back up and retest the 60,300 and sorry 60,532, and I'm going to be taking a sell all the way back down to potentially this level here, 55K. 55K. So that is something I'm going to do, guys. That is something I'm going to do today. So I'll be looking at shorts there. I'm not going to be taking longs. I just don't. There's just nothing for me to take longs here. So yeah, let's see if we can get. Let's see if we can get this. So shorts back down to around about. Wait, what is that? Oh, there we go. We're back. So we're looking for guys. We're looking for shorts. Okay, at around 60,000. 532. So 60,532. If we can come up to the zone today, I'll be taking a massive short. I think that is perfectly able to take a short for Bitcoin. And we're going to be looking to take profit at the value area low and potentially take profit at 55K. And why do I say 55K? Why is 55K so important? Well, if we have a look at it, right, if we draw the Fibonacci, right, so, and also 51K is also a strong level. I want to speak about all these levels in just a second. But essentially, what we want to do is we want to grab the Fibonacci. So, guys, what I like to do with the Fibonacci is I'll show you in just a second, but we take it from the low, the swing low, the swing high, right over there. So we take it from wick to wick, and we have a massive, massive level right over here, and it's perfectly holding support at this point. Okay? So, what I like to do is I like to use a 6.5 and a 6.18, and I want to see a reaction. So I'm going to be looking to short this level. Today, I'm going to be looking for a short of 60,485. Look for shorts back down to 55K. And then what I'm going to be doing is opening up a quite a big long at this level right over here, back up to the value area house. So we're looking for like 10% moves on either side. So yeah, let's see if we can get that set. Let's see if we can get that. Let's see. What are you guys' thoughts? Are you guys bullish and bearish right now? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I think a lot of people are a little bit skeptical, you know. Everyone doesn't really know what's happening. And you don't have to. But we just trade. This is why I think that stock trading is a little bit easier in a sense. Um, long position for Bitcoin was posted taking out a few minutes ago. Long position. I didn't post that. I think it was the other trader. Oh, yeah. Sorry, something is playing in the background. There we go. I'm still bearish, but I hope bull season soon. My spots are bleeding. Yeah, as well. No worries. We're all kind of bleeding at this point. A long position for Bitcoin was posted on the Telegram a few minutes ago. Yeah, that wasn't me. I'll have a look at that. I honestly don't think that. I think a lot of people think that this is the bottom. But I mean, if you want to, you can attempt to take a long at the value area low at 58K. I just don't see it, guys. I think we're going to lose it today. I think we're going to lose it. I think we're going to lose that level today. So just let's see. Let's see. What are you? So you're still bearish? So Mario. So Llama says long position Bitcoin posted. Yeah, I don't believe that. I'm still bearish, but I hope to be bullish soon. My spots are bleeding. I'm the same. I'm honestly the same. Like at this point, there's a lot of my spot positions not doing well, right? But like the thing is, you kind of have to look at the spot. You have to look at the spot as a long term, right? So obviously, it's not looking good right now, which is fine, right? Which is why we can do day trading. You know what I mean? So we can kind of just do day trading on the shorter time frames. We can do day trading on the shorter time frames, and then we can hold these spots for long term. Okay. So like I said, Bitcoin, yeah, my spot is for next year. Yeah, exactly. I mean, guys, look at this. If you guys are stressing right now, have a look at this. I mean, this gives you every single thing you know. Yesterday we were plus 1% for August. Yesterday, plus 1% for August, right? And now we minus almost 8%. You know, you can change so quickly. But look at guys, look at this. September's not a great year. Sorry, August not a great month. We've spoken about this. We said that September is not going to be a good month either. We have so many things happening in September, guys. We have this massive. This is going to be a huge event, guys. This election, I think it's in, when is it? 69 days. So 69 days for this election. But on the 16th, I think they're doing their debates, right? When they speak to the public and people ask questions and all of that. So that's going to be on the 16th of September. But we've spoken about this. If Kamala Harris wins the election, guys, I think we're going to see a massive, massive crash, guys. I think we're going to see probably the biggest crash yet to see. And I think it's possible, guys. I honestly think that we're going to see a huge crash if she wins. If Donald Trump wins, I think we're going to see a massive green candle back up to 80K, and it's going to be crazy. So this is going to be a huge event. So 69 days is not far. That's almost, it's two months, right? So that kind of lines up with what we have over here. So October, end of October, right? Beginning of November. Look how good these months are for Bitcoin historically, right? We have a 22% and a 46%, right? So you guys right now, the next 2 months aren't going to be good. The next 2 months aren't going to be good for the market. Okay, that's fine. It's not going to be good, but just keep on grounding, right? We have October, November where we're going to see a massive, massive rally, guys. So I'm kind of just sitting like that. I think we're going to see more downside. We're going to speak about some charts that we're also speaking about the chart yesterday, the altcoin market cap for the altcoins yesterday. We were saying that we were so bearish on it, and that's why we were taking sells. So let's have a look at the total three. Do you guys remember we were speaking about this 575 level, right? And now we've lost that level. We've actually lost that level on the lower time frames because we took sells yesterday for Matic and Solana when we were breaking this trend, right? Remember, it's a good confluence to have, right? If we have a trend line for like a total three, which shows you the market cap of all the altcoins, and you can see that it was losing trend, right? It was losing trend, and then we broke trend, and this was the signal to go short, right? So you can see the altcoin market cap is still quite a long way to breaking out here, guys. But when it breaks out, look at the upside of this, guys. It's right now, we're still in this range, right? It's still making lower lows and lower highs. You just have to look at the chart practically, right? You have to look at the chart practically and see what's happening. And you can see that this is not bullish, guys. This is not bullish at all. A lot of people are a little bit too bullish for no reason. They just want to be bullish. I think that's the thing, right? People just become bullish because they want to be bullish. It's not, and then they influence a lot of people in the market, right? You know, a lot of people on Twitter, like Twitter is probably the worst place to look at for signals or anything, guys. Just be careful on Twitter. Twitter, like, people get wrecked. But if we have a look at actually, I don't want to show the YouTube because I've got, like, I play League of Legends and stuff, so I see all my streams and stuff there. So let's leave that out of the crypto chat. But essentially, Twitter and Twitter is just not a good space, guys. A lot of people have opinions on Twitter, and a lot of people try to trap people as well on Twitter. Yeah, personally, like, I don't want to like, but this guy here, he's way too bullish, guys. A lot of people in his comments just always destroy him. But anyway, what I was saying is that, guys, in order for the altcoins to break out, in order for the altcoins to break out, we need to break above this trend line. Once it happens, guys, we're going to see a 30% pump in the altcoin market cap, which means that we're going to see like a 60 to 70% pump within the altcoins. Guys, this is ending soon. This is ending soon. We probably have another 45 days until a massive altcoin rally. So this is something to look at, right? Once we come close to the apex here, we're going to see a huge pump here. So that is something to look at. Okay. That is something to look at for the altcoin market. All right. So Matic, we still on Matic. Do you guys remember that short we took yesterday? If you guys are still holding it, let me know in the chat. Let me know. We're about to hit TP. I'll show you that I did take it. Let me just bring it up here so you guys can see. It's on my Telegram. Just give me 1 second. Here we go. This was the trade, guys. This was the trade. So we posted it in the group as well, in our Scalp group. This was the trade that we took yesterday in the live stream, guys. 160% on this trade on a 19x. That was this morning. It's on. If I look at look at my phone now, it's actually on like 180, I think. So it's about to hit TP. It is about to hit TP soon. So yeah, it's gonna be crazy, guys. It's gonna be crazy. So Matic was a great setup. Let me know in the comments if you guys took this trade with us yesterday. We also took Solana. Sorry, this was Matic. Solana didn't really show. This was my chart. It was up like 50% for Solana. So yeah, it was a great day yesterday. We called that dump, which is beautiful. We called that dump yesterday, which was absolutely beautiful. And yeah, I do think that we're going to see more downside. And I think the thing is, people right now are like, oh, this is what happens in crypto. I closed both early also. No worries. Yeah, that's good. At least you took it. Profit's profit, right? It's not something that we need to. Obviously, making like 160% doesn't happen every day. It's not an everyday thing. But yeah, it was a good setup. Matic was really clean. Do you guys remember? It was because of this. It was because of it was whale alert. The main reason why we entered was because of this man over here, this whale alert here. Let's have a look. Yeah, we had around about 15 million Matic transfer. Oh no, it was one before that. Here we go. We had around about 21 million transferred to Binance, and that was the exact time that we had when Matic broke support, right? Matic broke support, then we had that coming in as well. So there was a lot of confluence that Matic was going to dump. Yeah, so let's have a look and see what else we got on the charts here. Let's have a look. Maybe let me know in the comments what you guys are looking at today. What are you guys looking at today? Let's have a look at Ethereum. I was looking at a long year for Ethereum, but I didn't take it. Remember, we were looking at that yesterday, and we were saying that we can only take this trade if we can close above that level. But yeah, look at Ethereum, guys. It broke. Oh my God, Ethereum broke daily support. I don't know, guys. This is looking terrible. Honestly speaking, this is looking absolutely terrible for Ethereum. So what do we have right now for ETH? I mean, this is essentially your bounce zone, right? But if you look at the daily, guys, we've actually just lost. We have lost a critical zone here. I don't know why my render in the green. Render, really? Yeah, let's have a look at render as well. That's crazy. Some coins are doing quite well. Actually, Floki, I was looking at Floki, was doing quite well as well. So if we look at if we look at Ethereum, we can see it. I mean, look at that daily candle close terribly. I mean, Ethereum is pretty much going to come back down. Yeah, I mean, God, it's just not looking good. And a good way to tell. I don't know why it keeps cutting out like this. I'm so sorry. It's actually very annoying. Just give it 1 second. Give it 1 second, yeah. I don't know what's happening here. I'm just gonna unplug this. Just have one screen here. Just give it 1 second. Stop the screen sharing. Give it 1 second, yeah. Okay, we back. Okay, we're just gonna use my laptop. Don't need a second screen. Okay, anyway, so Ethereum, guys, Ethereum. What is happening with Ethereum? I mean, it's just not looking good. The weekly candle, it's taken out the lows. I mean, we are most probably gonna come back down and test these levels. Yeah, this is where our support would be $2,000, guys. 2,000 US dollars. Even over here, this is the level where I'd probably be looking for longs for Ethereum around about $2,000. Because right now it's just not looking good. It's not looking good for Ethereum. So I think we need to you need to start switching on right now and asking yourself, why am I bullish? Because I think a lot of people have been bullish, and personally, guys, that weekly close for Bitcoin, it was a good sign, and I think that's why people got so excited. Right, it was a great sign, but the problem is people weren't looking at the previous highs. Right, the previous high was showing us that this is a huge rejection zone. Right, massive rejection zone. 64,300 is a huge rejection zone, guys. People weren't speaking about that, and you can see everyone just got wrecked. Right, every single person that was long in the past 4 days got wrecked. So you have to just look at the chart and always remember when you're looking at a chart, just always look left and see what's happening, right? And we can see that this is that was your weekly resistance, right? It was a huge weekly resistance for Bitcoin. So just be careful with that. Okay, so Bitcoin right now. Let's have a look for some trades, guys. We're going to be looking for some trades. We're going to be going over a lot of different charts within the next 40 minutes. We're going to go over around about 10 to 15 charts. We're going to try to find some setups, maybe try to find some trades. So just sit back, relax, and let me know if you guys have any charts you want me to go over. Okay. So first off, let's have a look at Bitcoin. Remember, we're looking for Bitcoin, some sells a little bit later on. Remember to put some alerts here, guys. Gonna put an alert here for 60K, around about this level here. So I know that I don't have to look at Bitcoin the whole day. I'm only going to wait for this trade if it can hit our level, right? So Bitcoin looking for sells. We spoke about why we're looking for sells, and I expect price to come back down to 55K. So we're looking for another 9 to 10% drop for Bitcoin within maybe today. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. So let's have a look at Render, RNDR. Crazy if Rendar's screens there. I actually didn't check that. RNDR, what's happening here? Where's all the charts? Oh, it's down here. Okay. Yeah, Render is quite strong, eh? Render is quite strong. We're above the 200-day moving average. You can see whenever we're below this 200-day moving average, we are bearish. You can see we're bearish. But we're kind of trading above it, guys. We're kind of trading above this 200-day moving average, which is quite good for Render. So let's have a look at the fib from the low to the high. Yeah, so I think for Render, what I'll be doing is, we have a level here, which is a beautiful level. If we have a look left, it's a beautiful level here. If we have a little bit look left over here, we can see that this is your key zone for Render. Somewhere in between here, I'll be looking for a long. This will probably be for spot as well. If you look at the 1 hour time frame, kind of coming up quite nicely here. Personally, I would wait for a deeper retracement, because if you look at the daily time frame, we did actually close below support. So that is not a good thing, right? So first thing is first, look at the daily. We closed below this key level at 5.95, which is something to look at, right? We closed below this level, and of course, we need to obviously hold this level. If today Render can come up and close above this level today, then fine, we can look for longs. But Yeah, it's just not holding, right? So I don't think Renda is going to hold that hard. I think we're still going to come down today, maybe retest 5.1. Yeah. So Renda not in a, I mean, yeah, it looks green today, but still not in a good situation. This was Ton. If you guys remember, we were speaking about Ton yesterday. I mean, we obviously know that Ton got absolutely smacked because of the CEO getting arrested. But yeah, this is the accumulation zone. We didn't even tap into it. So I didn't get long yet. But I'm still waiting for that for Ton. I want to see if we can maybe tap into that zone today. If we can tap into that zone today, I'll probably look at it long for Ton. But yeah, this it's not looking too good. Yeah, this is looking like a bit of a head and shoulders, to be fair, or like a little bit of a Bart Simpson. So you have a limit long for Ton at five, $5. Yeah, I'm looking at the same. I'm looking at the same. Okay, I'm looking at pretty much the exact same. Yeah, it's a good setup. So we're looking for the same thing. Okay. I'm expecting if Ton can come down a little bit lower today, that'll be fine. We can take some longs, but just wait for it, right? Don't chase the long right now. A lot of people love chasing it, right? And if you chase it right now, that's when you're gonna get wrecked. Okay, so for now, just be patient and wait for the setup. Just wait for this setup, of course, and then we should be fine. Don't want to take longs now. Just although it's looking like if we look at the 1 hour, yeah, let's see. We can maybe break above this level. We can maybe enter a long here, but I'm not too sure about this. I'd rather wait for price to come down a little bit lower. Okay, so Ton, if we can look for a potential scalp, right? So we can look for a potential scalp back up to these highs, something like this, right? Where we can take a long on the break over here. Yo, that's 9%. Is that 9%? It's crazy. And then I'll probably look for a short because the moving average is probably going to do this, right? The moving average is going to come down like this. We're going to take profits there, and then we're going to potentially look for a short back down to this box over here, this $5 box. So this is something that I'm probably going to be looking at for the day. In order for me to take this long, I just need to wait for the 1 hour candle to close above this trend line. Okay. So I want to wait for price to close above this trend line. 30 minutes, we're starting to make high highs over here. Beautiful. Okay. Fine. So we'll take this position today potentially long and shorts for Ton. That is something to look at. But yeah, I'm quite bearish on the day. What else can we look at here? Let me know in the comments what you guys are looking at. BNB, I don't really like BNB. I don't like BNB. Shitcoin. Okay, let's have a look at Render. Sorry, let's have a look at Near because Near, I mean, guys, have a look how beautiful this is. Just to show you how these things work, right? Have a look at Near. Okay, if we look at Near, genuinely looking at Near from like I'm zooming out, I'm going back, right? I'm going back, and look what happened on the daily time frame. We came up, we retested this 200-day moving average. We retested this 200-day moving average for Near, and look what happened. We've had a massive sell-off. It's a huge sell-off for Near, right? So personally speaking, now what is happening for Near is we are starting to look like we want to close back below the range, and yeah, it's looking like we want to come down. So on the 4 hour time frame, yeah, it's not looking good for Near. Because whenever we close below this point, we tend to come back down to this level, right? We are still making higher highs and higher lows, which is bullish. If we look at the 1 hour time frame, I do think that we're probably going to come down over here. What I want to do is I want to see if we can draw the volume profile for the previous range. I like to use the fixed range volume profile. for this range over here to see where the volume's sitting. We have a bit of volume over here and around about 3.9. Okay, so those are going to be the key levels. These are going to be the key levels for near. I think what's happening right now is people are just trying to long this little dump, and then they're going to get wrecked again. So I'm kind of staying away right now. I don't want to be longing. I don't see it. That is why I'm still in that short for Matic, right? I'm going to be holding that for the next couple of days. So yeah, I just don't see why people are longing here, guys. I think everyone just wants to long because they want to long. That's honestly what I think, right? But I mean, maybe they have their own technicals. But have a look at Solana, guys. This was so annoying, right? So annoying for Solana. Do you guys remember yesterday? So we took sells for Solana. I mean, it was pretty much the perfect sell position. Can't really get any better than that. And then what happened was I put a TP for 153. I put a TP for 153. I put a TP for 153, and then check what happened. Crazy, massive dump, right? The second TP was here, and then look what actually happened. Almost 10% drop yesterday. So I just, to be honest with you, I didn't think we'd get that big of a drop in one day. So yeah, this was a trade we took yesterday, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. I can see there is a few more people here than yesterday. Thank you so much for being here. We do try to trade every single day live. But the thing is, you'll start to realize, like, when we get big moves, like yesterday we had a big move, right? And we took those sells. The next day kind of just recovers, right? We start to form like a range, right? So normally the next day in my live stream after like a big move, we can't really get any trades. Because of the fact that we kind of just range. So we need to just wait for that to happen. Okay. So for Solana, let's have a look here on the 4 hour. I mean, guys, this would have been a beautiful short here. I was actually thinking about shorting this a couple of days ago, but the market was looking so strong at that point. But it just shows you, like, just go with what you're thinking, you know. So let's have a look here. This is your volume profile, but I wanna have a look at a little bit more in depth here. Percentage. What is this? Let's have a look at that just now as well. So I want to see where our volume profile. Yeah, you can see right now we're at the point of control. We are currently at the point of control right now, which means that this is where a lot of people are starting to open up longs for Solana. Maybe another short on Sol. Yeah, definitely. I'll show you exactly where I'm going to be shorting, guys. I'll show you exactly where I'm going to be shorting. But we can't short now. We're at the point of control, right? This is where people are starting to open up longs. And we're probably going to see Bitcoin start to push up here as well. Yeah, it's starting to push up a little bit here as well. This is the wrong chart, which is fine, right? We can potentially look at longs for Bitcoin today. I just, we can look at longs back up to 60,500, but I'm not too convinced in that. But I think it's a good play. We probably have some bearish, some bullish divergence here. Let's have a look here. Just remove this. The RSI. I don't like looking at indicators, guys. You know me, but yeah, it's no, not even bullish divergence. Oh yeah, look at the 30-minute, guys. Look at the 30-minute here. On the 30-minute time frame, we do have some bullish divergence, guys. Bullish divergence over here for Bitcoin. What does that mean? It's a good question. I'll explain it right now. So basically, what is happening now for Bitcoin? What is happening now for Bitcoin is the RSI is showing that we are gaining momentum, but price is showing that we're losing, right? So it's creating a divergence in price to the RSI, right? And this is a strong bullish divergence because the RSI is giving us positive momentum. Okay. Yeah, I mean, right now, I think the long that was sent on the Telegram, let's have a look. Let's have a look. I'll have a look later. But yeah, I think that diversion does look decent. It does look quite decent. So yeah, I think right now you could potentially look at a long for Bitcoin, but I don't think there's gonna be too much out of it, right? You could look to long back up. Oh, it's 2%. It's decent. It is decent. Let's have a look at the 1 hour. The 1 hour is also showing divergence as well. 4 hour it wouldn't show, but this is the lowest point we've been since we've had that massive dump over here since 49K. That's crazy, guys. That's crazy. So we might retrace a little bit here. We may retrace a little bit here. But yeah, the 1 hour and the 30 minutes are showing a bit of divergence here in price. So yeah, if you want to look at it long today, I think it's valid, but probably just look to take profit after 60,500. I wouldn't really look to like hold this to 70K. Like, it just doesn't make sense. We spoke about why we bearish, guys. But yeah, I want to see. So the 1 hour candle was closing. Okay, so the 1 hour candle was closing in right now. Okay, so let's speak about that. What happened? So it's always important to wait for these candles to close, right? So we go. Let's have a look here. So we have the 4 hour. We have point of control sitting at 59,500. Okay, remember that. So remember, point of control. This is a key level, guys. This level is so key. We've lost that level. This is why I don't want to take longs right now. This is actually the reason why. So 59,531. I don't want to take longs. Only if we can maybe break above that level. If we can close above this level on like the 1 hour time frame, cool. But just right now, this is your strong level, guys. This is your point of control. So it's like the mid range, right? So it's going to be your point of control, which is like the mid range. And for me to take his position, all right, another question. How to know? Yeah. I'm gonna from now on in the Telegram. I'm gonna put my name there. Okay, I'll put my name in the group. So it's gonna say like Dylan. So it's gonna say short Solana now, and then up say Dylan. So we've actually discussed that with the traders because we need to. Yeah. We've discussed that. I've spoken to the other guys, and we're gonna do that because yeah, I think it depends on like the style that you guys. If you guys like my style of trading, then you kind of just want to follow my positions. I understand that. So I'm gonna say like Dylan next to the position, right? Okay. Okay. So guys, point of control. We currently there. We currently at the point of control, which is the 4 hour. We've lost the point of control, which is not good. Have a look at this. This is crazy, guys. Okay, I didn't actually see this. But look at the so we have the yeah, this is crazy. Okay, so I might even take a short from 59,600, guys. We might even be entering a short very, very soon here, guys. I think we're going to be entering a short very, very soon. And the reason why I say that is because look at the volume profile. So we have the volume profile from beginning of this range to the end over here, and then our point of control is at this level. Then we take the volume profile from this range to this range. We have the exact same point of control sitting at the exact same place. So what does that mean? It means that that level is so strong. This level here at 59,531, it is so strong, guys. So the probability of us actually just getting rejected from that zone is probably very, very likely. So I'll probably look at a potential short from this level here if we can come down, if we can come up a little bit. Yeah. I think everyone's expecting price to come up higher. So this is what I was saying in my update yesterday, guys. I was saying that people are gonna try long 61,800 because that's like the predictable thing to do, and that's why a lot of people got wrecked because people in trading and also like the market makers they want to try to wreck most of the retail, right? So when everyone is talking about the same level on like multiple Twitter accounts and YouTube accounts, it's just not going to hold because the market makers are just going to rinse you, you know? So that is something to watch out for. Okay. So guys, I'm looking for a short. I don't think this bullish divergence is going to hold. I don't really trade bullish divergence on RSI. I've tried it in the past, doesn't work. It will work sometimes, but maybe if we can break out of this like little channel here. But you'll be getting rejected, right? So not looking good. I want to see if we can come up a little bit here. We're going to take some shorts in this live, guys. So be ready. Get your phones ready. Get your phones ready. This will also, so it's gonna create like a triple top here, something like this. This will be an area where I want to be taking a short. Okay. So we're gonna go short soon. We're gonna go short soon, guys. We're gonna go short soon. Very, very soon, yeah. Maybe we can get a nice trade like we did yesterday. And it's also good, guys. Also, just remember, it's better to take one good position than 5 small positions, right? Um, I don't know, like lately I've been trying to just perfect my style because it's essentially like yesterday I could have taken shorts on multiple trades, right? But I chose 2 coins that were most likely breaking trend. First of all, total market cap was bearish, and I chose Matic because Matic had such a huge range, right? The range for Matic was this big, right? It was huge. I mean, it was literally this big. So I chose Matic and Solana. We broke trend on Solana and we spoke about that. So Bitcoin right now, guys. Hopefully we can get this. Maybe we won't, but I'm expecting a move up here. Maybe we can get a bit of a push. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna post in the comments here. If you guys aren't used to the channel, it would be amazing. You guys can subscribe, give us a like as well, and yeah, it'd be amazing. We go live every single day. Every single day. Trading and meme coins are the best way to get money in crypto right now. Trading and meme coins. Yeah, exactly. It's a good point. Nice thing is like you were saying, Mario, you were saying that your spot account's not looking good, right? And that's majority of crypto holders right now. But we can make money to the downside, right? That's a beautiful thing with trading. So that is the beautiful with trading. So I've created a poll there, guys. What are your thoughts? What are your thoughts, guys? I've created a poll. What are your guys' thoughts on the market? Are we bullish there or are we bearish there? Let me know. Let me know. I want to see what you guys are thinking. We're looking at a sell here soon. You can see the market is coming up quite nicely here. Here we go. Beautiful. Okay, so there's probably a divergence here on the 5. Yeah, look at that. The divergent played out actually, to be fair. Yeah, I mean that's a 1% move. On 20x, that's almost 30%. So it did play out. It did play out. But let's see, let's see. We're looking at a potential sell here, guys. I'm only gonna enter. So why are we taking a sell? That's the first thing you ask yourself. Why are we gonna be taking a sell here for Bitcoin? Okay. Um, and the answer is, first of all, we look at the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame is telling us that this is your point of control. We've lost this level. We're coming back up for a retest of this level. You know, I was looking for actually, I was looking for a bit of a retest of the value area high today over here. But yeah, I don't think we're going to get that. I think we're just going to get a rip from this level here. There's no liquidity, guys. All the liquidity is gone. Everyone that was long yesterday got absolutely smoked. Let's have a look at let's have a look over here. 59,600, guys. Look at that. That's exactly the level we want to be shorting. Have a look at that. 59,600, guys. 59,600, 59,528. That is the exact level that we want to be shorting. And look how many orders are built up there. So you can see how things kind of align, right? We have the point of control. We have the point of control sitting at 59,520. We have this chart over here looking like we have a whole bunch of shorts sitting at the zone. People are trying to short the point of control. You know, there's a couple of things why we're going to be shorting here, guys. And this point of control is a strong level, guys. It's something that volume profile is very, very useful. It's probably like the only indicator I like to use, if you can even call it an indicator. So yeah, we're going to be shorting Bitcoin here soon, guys. Let's see if we can maybe get this in this live. Everyone right now is probably like, oh, Bitcoin's bottom. This was just a flash out, but no, I don't think so, guys. Remember macro chart showing us that we're most probably going to come down a lot lower, guys. You know, my targets are potentially 42k, 50k, 50k, 42k, and even maybe, I don't know, guys. This could even be a level, right? This can just do this, and then something like that, right? We could even come down like this. I don't know. Honestly, what are you guys' thoughts? What are your guys' thoughts? I think yeah, the long signal posted in the Telegram today was probably just because of the divergence. But yeah, I don't think we're gonna hold that long. I think you should be looking to take profits. I think it was I don't know if it's a scalp or a swing trade. I'm only a scalp trader, guys. So you only see my trades in the scalp thing. But yeah, personally, I'm expecting to sell off here, guys. I hope it will touch 40 again, please. Oh, it will not. Yeah, I don't know about that. I think it will. I think it will. There's just too many things happening, guys. There's too many things happening. There's too many things happening in this world right now. There's just so much tension. There's the election coming up. There's just too many things. Everything's aligning, right? September is not going to be a good month, I don't think. August has been a terrible month. We're already down 8% on the monthly chart. Oh, that's what I wanted to speak about. That's what I wanted to speak about, guys. At the monthly chart, I was speaking. If you guys want to watch my video I posted this morning, have a look at it, guys. I posted a video this morning. It's kind of similar to what we've gone through today, though, to be fair. But this was the this was the video I posted this morning. Have a look at it after this. Um, have a look at this. I was speaking about the higher time frames, like the monthly. YouTube's a grind, guys. I'm not gonna lie. YouTube takes so long to get views. It does. I'm not gonna lie. It's a proper grind. Okay, so like I said, guys, point of control 59, 523. We're gonna take some sells. So just be ready. I'm not gonna leave the live until we're in a position here. So just chill out with me. Stop loss is going to be above this high over here. So we're going to keep the stops really tight because, like I said, so this stop is going to be only 0.48%, which is nothing, right? It's pretty much nothing. And then I'm going to be looking for a long a little bit later on. Sorry, a short later on if it breaks through this point of control. So we're going to go for a couple trades, yeah. Because think about it, right? How you have to look at it is if we hit this level here for Bitcoin, right? If we hit this zone for Bitcoin, we can potentially get a reaction. We've gone over why we can get a reaction here, and then also we have a level here at 60,500, which is our value area high. We can potentially come up to that level. So if this gets stopped out, we can just the risk to reward is 1:11. Let's actually just make this 1:9.5. And then this risk to reward is back down to the low is 1:5. So you're only risking 0.4% for what is this? It's a 4% gain, a 420%. So that's kind of cool. 420. So yeah, so let's just wait, guys. It's always important to just be patient for these setups. You don't want to just jump in straight away, right? You don't want to jump in straight away. It's important to just be patient and wait for these to come to life. Where are you guys from? Where are you guys from? Do I hold any meme coins? I do. Actually, I'm only really holding ton meme coins at the moment. So I'll show you which ones. So I'm holding. I actually haven't looked at them since yesterday. They're probably down quite hard. I'm holding Sundog. So I bought this one. I'll show you where I bought it. I bought over here. It actually hit my TP, to be honest with you. This was my TP over here for Sundog, but I'm actually tempted. I'm still holding this. Bought in this box over here, Sundog, and then I also bought Sun Wukong. Looks like it's also down. We bought it, but this is looking juicy, guys. We bought it over here, and then it pumped like almost 400%, right? 300, and now we're only up 120%. So meme coins are crazy, guys, but it's looking really nice to be completely honest with you. We were speaking about this. I was live on, I think it was Monday. No, it was last week Friday. Speaking about this. This was the 23rd of August, right? Yeah, 23rd, 24th. Yeah. So we did actually get involved for these ones. Yeah. I think Ton's looking good, guys. For a lot of people saying Ton's a scam. Sorry, Tron. I don't know how I said Ton. A lot of people are like, oh, Tron meme coins are a scam, blah blah blah. But the thing is, like, it's not. That's the same thing what happened to Solana, right? People were saying, oh, meme coins are Solana scam, and look what's happened now. You know what I mean? So I think these ones have utility. not really utility, but they have backing, So we'll see. We'll see. Looks good. You can see I was only really looking at it, a little bit of an increase here. But let's go back to Bitcoin. We're looking for those sells. I don't know if we're going to get it in this live, guys. I hope so. I really hope so. I don't want to waste your time, of course. I obviously don't want to waste your time. But you honestly, we'll wait. We'll wait 5 more minutes here. If we don't get it, then I'll probably just end the stream and I'll just send it in the Telegram group because I do need to go have some lunch as well. $59,233. Yeah, I don't know, guys. We might not even be able to get this. Let's have a look and see what other coins are popping here. Cardano, I can see Cardano coming down a lot more, 0.32. Even over here, 0.33. It's honestly, crypto is crazy because to keep track of guys, I've got 164 coins over here. I have to keep track of all of them every single day. Like, yeah, you put a limit order, that's fine. Yeah, you don't need to stay on the chart the whole time. But I'm trying to keep track of 164 different coins, guys, to trade. So it's a little bit tough. But let's have a look here. Atom, everything's just looking terrible. AVAX. Oy, oy, oy. So tired today. AVAX. Ooh, AVAX. Oh yeah. Let's talk about AVAX. What is happening with AVAX? So AVAX goes straight back into the bottom of the range, yeah. I mean, to be fair, AVAX is looking quite strong, to be honest with you. Let me just remove everything here. Let's just remove everything here. To be completely honest with you, AVAX is looking quite strong. Let's have a look at these key levels here. Yeah, this is a strong level here, 22. This is the level you want to be long in AVAX. Have a look here. I think what we're going to see here is just going to be crazy. Oish. Okay, so AVAX 21. And then we have, yeah, look at that. That's juicy. That's so juicy. Okay, so you made me say that. I haven't said Mario. You keep coming in my head. You're like, I've never said that's juicy before. I don't think. And now because you said that, that's in my head. But anyway, yeah, AVAX guys. AVAX is probably going to dump today. Where can we look for some levels? We have such a good level here at 22.78. So what I want to look for is, yeah, could we broke structure here? The 15. Let's have a look at this. Beautiful. Same setup as Bitcoin, right? Looking at around about a 5 to 6% move. Stop loss is going to be very, very tight. We can even have a 0 points. I mean, look how tight your stops are here, guys. You have a 10x leverage on this. that's only -7%. Remember, leverage times percentage loss and percentage gain equals actual realized. So 0.78 times 10x leverage is going to give you 7.8% loss, whereas your profit's going to be 5.69 times by 10 is 56.9%, right? So keep your stop losses tight, guys. Always keep them tight. Keep them tight. AVAX is coming up though. Looking at the short here, guys. Looking at a short. Hey. We'll put some music in the background. I think this is a sick song. Bitcoin updated. I think you just joined, brother. I think you just joined, but yeah, I'll run through it one more time. We've literally just been looking at Bitcoin the whole day. But yeah, let's jump through it. So AVAX looking for shorts. I'll post this in the signals group. Make sure you guys join the channel. AVAX, Bitcoin, what's Bitcoin is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, we're looking for sells for Bitcoin today. Once again, looking for two separate sells. If we can get a sell off here, that would be great. Potentially sell off here. But macro target for Bitcoin, I'm looking at potentially 55K. Something like this. Yeah, this is something I'm looking at, guys. Bitcoin sells. If we can get that today, that would be amazing. I may be wrong though. This could be the bottom, but I don't think so. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream here, guys. I don't think we're gonna get hit right now. I'll post the signal in the Telegram. If you guys are new to the channel, well, thank you so much for being here. You can just subscribe to the channel. I do go live every single day. Yesterday we caught some beautiful trades. We caught some sells on Solana and Matic. It was a great setup. Yeah.